Hey friends, welcome to FxYogi. In today's video, let's have a quick look at how to use the USDX for Forex trading. I bet you're wondering, how do I use this USDX in my trading arsenal? Well, hold your trigger finger and you'll soon find out. We all know that most of the widely traded currency pairs include the US dollar. If you don't know, some that include the US dollar are Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and USD CAD. What does this mean? If you trade any of these pairs, the USDX can be the next best thing to sliced bread or hamburger on a bun or chocolate ice cream. If you don't, the USDX will still give you an idea of the relative strength of the US dollar around the world. In fact, when the market outlook for the US dollar is unclear, more oftentimes than not, the USDX provides a better picture. In the wide world of Forex, the USDX can be used as an indicator of the US dollar strength. Because the USDX is comprised of more than 50% by the eurozone, Euro USD is quite inversely related. Check it. Next, take a look at the chart of Euro USD. It's like a mirror image. If one goes up, the other most likely goes down. Will you look at that? It seems like the trend lines almost inversely match up perfectly. This could be a bigger help to those big on trading Euro USD. Some of our Forex trading friends in the forums monitor the USDX as an indicator for Euro USD. Hang out with them if you want to learn more about using this index. If the USDX makes significant movements, you can almost surely expect currency traders to react to the movement accordingly. Both the USDX and Forex traders react to each other. Breakouts in spot USD pairs will most certainly move the USDX in a similar breakout fashion. To sum it all up, Forex traders use the USDX as a key indicator for the direction of the USD. Always keep in mind the position of the USD in the pair you're trading. For example, if the USDX is strengthening and raising and you are trading Euro USD, a strong USD will show a downtrend on the Euro USD chart. If you are trading a pair in which the USD is the base currency, such as the USD CHF, a rise in the USDX will most likely show a rise in the USD CHF charts like the one shown below. Here are two little tips you should always remember. Number one, if USD is the base currency, then the USDX and the currency pair should move the same direction. If USD is the quote currency, then the USDX and the currency pair should move in the opposite directions. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.